Hello everyone, welcome to Shu channel. Today's guest is Gigi Delana. You know, she is the cover queen of the Philippines, and I wanna try to react her through the fire piano in the dark. This is really a view a lot. 16 over 16 million views. So let's try to react to her. And before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I love her hairstyle and appearance and voice as well. Yeah, and eye direction is like watching me. So feeling good. And her costume, yeah, it's so gorgeous. Yeah, it's really fit for her.
You still need time to heal, and I can help if you'll only let me try. You touch me and something in me knew what I can have with you. I'm not ready to kiss that dream goodbye.
Yeah, I can feel soul from her. I think this combination of their back bands are also good. Yeah, shouting is so good. Yeah, and again, eye direction for the camera is so good. So volume of the voice is good. Whistling. It's really much with this costume, right? And next song.
When I find myself watching the time, never think about all the funny things you said. I feel like it's dead. Where is it leading me now? I turn around in the still of the room, knowing this is when I'm gonna make my move. Wait any longer, and I'm feeling stronger, but just as I walk to the door, I can feel your emotion. Yeah, it's pulling me back, back to love. Yeah, caught up in the middle, I cry just a little, and I think letting go. Gave up on the riddle, I cry just a little when he plays piano in the dark.
I love the way she sing a song like eating sounds. Like that.
He holds me close like a thief of the heart. He plays a melody born to tear me all apart. The silence is broken, no bridge is broken, but just as I walk to the door, I can feel your emotion. It's pulling me back to love, yeah. I know, caught up in the middle, I cry just a little when I think of letting go. Oh no, gave up on the riddle, I cry just a little when he plays piano in the dark, in the dark. Silence is broken, none is broken but to the door. I can feel your motion. It's pulling me back to love, yeah. I know,
Well, originally. She's expressing music by using their uh, body, like cropping their head or uh, pointing out somewhere. Yeah, I feel really strong soul from her. This is amazingly good. So the song and their costume and all over environment, back back bands and herself. is the perfect. So I think that's why everybody want to watch this video. Indeed. I'll watch it again, definitely. Uh, Today's video is it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to not miss my future videos, and also put the notification bell to notify you when I uploaded the video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.